Back to the channel. Old Man Fong asks, AI answers, Dear Trung Hugh, I have a question about physics and energy. What is the lowest temperature that can be reached? Dear Mr. Vu Hoi Fong, I, Trung Hugh, would like to answer you slowly and clearly. What is the lowest temperature that can be reached? The lowest temperature in physics is 0 Kelvin, also known as absolute zero. 0 Kelvin equals minus 273.15 degrees Celsius. This is not a number arbitrarily set by humans, but the ultimate limit of nature. What happens at 0 Kelvin? At this level, almost all thermal motion of atoms stops. There is no more oscillation, no more hot, cold. Matter is in the lowest possible energy state. To put it in a more figurative way for you to easily understand. If temperature is the breath of matter, then 0 Kelvin is the moment the universe holds its breath. Can humans reach 0 Kelvin? Never, and probably never. Because the laws of thermodynamics state that it is impossible to reach 0 Kelvin in a finite number of steps. The closer we get, the more infinitely difficult it becomes to cool down. Currently, the most modern laboratories only reach a few billionths of a Kelvin above zero, meaning it's millions of times colder than natural outer space. Is outer space the coldest place? Not necessarily. The background temperature of the universe is currently close to 2.7 Kelvin. The universe is cold, but not dead. There is still light oscillating and residual energy from the Big Bang. A reflection just for you. Humans cannot reach absolute zero, just as they cannot reach the absolute silence of the mind. They can only get very close. To understand how small they are in the vast universe, the following is an essay titled, The Coldest Moment in the Universe. There is a number that, upon hearing it, makes one feel as if they are standing before the ultimate boundary of nature, 0 Kelvin. Minus 273.15 degrees Celsius. It's not a violent cold, but the absolute silence of motion. At that moment, all thermal vibrations cease. Atoms no longer tremble, molecules no longer move, not because they are dead, but because they have exhausted their ability to move. People call this absolute zero. But the strange thing is, the universe, though vast, ancient, and cruel, has never truly reached that moment. Even the deepest space between galaxies